Hi, it's Lori from Recipe Girl, and today I'm going to show you how to make a salad from the 3 best vegetables of summer: fresh corn, fresh zucchini, and beautiful summer tomatoes. So we're going to go ahead and get started by cutting the corn. Now I have a little trick for cutting the corn, and that is to get out my bundt pan, and I'm going to take the corn on the cob and just stick it right in the middle. And this works great because when you cut down the sides of the corn, you'll find that it nicely gathers into the bundt pan without splattering all over your counter. And again, you do not have to cook the corn. Fresh corn is delicious on its own. We're going to be tossing it with a really good dressing. So now we're going to cut some fresh zucchini. And you're going to slice it the long way a few times. And we're just going to give it a nice dice. Okay, we've got our fresh corn, we've got the zucchini, and now we need the fresh tomatoes. So you're just going to use some pear or cherry tomatoes, and we're going to be slicing them in half. The green zucchini, the yellow corn, and the red tomatoes, everything just pops really bright. So I've chopped up all the fresh vegetables for my salad, so I'm going to go ahead and put it in my salad bowl. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. And the fresh zucchini. Get that mixed up a little bit. Because the next thing is I'm gonna make a dressing that's gonna bring this all together and give it some good flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and make the dressing, and we're gonna use about 4 tablespoons of white wine vinegar and 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a tablespoon of honey. And we're going to chop up a little bit of fresh basil. I'm going to add a little bit of lime juice to the salad dressing, a grind of pepper, just a little bit of salt. We're going to whisk that all together. Now if you're serving this right now, you can go ahead and add it to the salad. If you're serving it in 2 hours or 4 hours, you can still go ahead and add it to the salad. The more it marinates, it's actually going to taste better. So we're going to go ahead and pour that dressing on. Stir to incorporate all the dressing. Such a pretty salad. So simple, so fresh. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit of that fresh basil that I chopped up. So that just gets sprinkled on top. And that's it. You're going to refrigerate this for 2 to 4 hours, several hours if you want to, and then just give it a stir before you serve it. Garnish it with a little bit more fresh basil, and it's ready to serve at your summer party. For this recipe and more, visit recipegirl.com.